Good afternoon, you guys. It's, what's up, you guys? I have a cat lick. Yes, I have a cat lick. Don't judge it. Don't judge it, you guys. I said don't judge it. But that's very cool and exciting. So I'm just heading out to my parents' place to help Dad with some stuff. So I'll talk to you guys when I am working.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
My chore is today is just take the hoses off right now, you guys. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll talk to you guys then. So right now, you guys, we are making some candy apples, but not random candy apples, but with a twist, you guys. We are making some candy apples, so talk to you guys with the twist. Now I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit, about a little bit longer, because that's what I'm gonna try to do. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when it's done. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. I'll show you guys the candy apples, what we made. I can't really show you guys all of it because it's a secret, but here's a clips of it, what we made. So I can't really show you guys all of it. Stay tuned this Saturday with a brand new video. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.